Hi friends, once again I welcome you guys to the Make IT Simple YouTube channel. This is continuation to my previous video which is learning about Python. If you didn't go through my previous video, just go through it and come back to this video. I have given the video link in the description section. In this video, we will learn about the variables, which is a fundamental concept in programming. These are not specific to Python, it exists in every programming language. We use variables to temporarily store data in the computer memory. So here an example, let's get into the demo. Here in the PyCharm editor, what I will do is I'm just creating one more file, new Python file, and I'm giving us, name it as demo-variables, and the extension is py. Just added it over here. And what I'll do is I just type price equal to 10. What we'll do is when the Python interpreter executes this code, it will allocate some memory. Then it will store that number 10 in that memory. And finally, it will attach this price label, the name, the price into that memory location. In simple terms, I can say imagine we have a box. In that box, we have put a number 10 and the label it as price in the box. And we can use that label anywhere in our program. Similarly, we can make use of it. Now we can use that label anywhere in our program to access the value. For example, now I want to print it, means what you can do is just give a print statement, and you are not supposed to use quotes. Suppose if you use quotes, means it will just print that text only. See, if I give price and I want to run this, so just right click on it, I'm executing run demo variable. See, it is getting printed the text only price. I want to print that value, so just remove the quotes. And if I run executing from this top right corner, means it will just print the value. This is how we define the variables. We just start with the identifier price, which is the name of our variable, then equal sign, and then finally a value. So now what will happen during this execution? This number 10 is get stored in the computer memory. How it will get stored is the first it will get converted into binary representation. So the number 10 is in the decimal system, which has all the digits 0 to 9. Computers don't understand this digit, they only understand zeros and ones. So when you store number 10 in the computer memory, first it will get converted into binary representation, which will be in the form of 001, 100 like that, and then it will get stored in the computer memory. Now what we'll do is let update the price of the variable. For example, what I will do is I just give price equal to 20. Now let's see what the value is getting printed. See that 20 is getting printed. I explained the previous video itself, the Python interpreter execute the code line by line. So first we set the price to 10 and then reset to 20. And if you see it over here, the numbers here we have the whole numbers without the decimal point. In programming, we are referred to as kind of integers. Integers are number without the decimal point. Now what I will do is I will be assigning some floating point number. For that, what I will do is rating equal to 5.2. So this will be called as floating point numbers, or in short we can call as float. Now we need to set as a string type, right? For that, name, or I can give name equal to name in double quotes equal to Karthik, so which will be called as string. And next type is boolean type, so we need to set the value true or false. For that is success, I am just giving is success equal to, here we need to give the type or the value. For example, I need to type the true or false. Remember that Python is a case sensitive, so it is, which means it's sensitive to both upper and lowercase letters. So whenever we define variable, we should always use lowercase letters. Here true or false is a special keyword, so if you spell it with this lowercase, means it won't understand and it will throw the error. Let's see over here. If I spell it with the lowercase, it will throw an error. See here, it will throw an error. That's what, it's a special keyword. We need to give it in the capital caps T. In this video, we have seen storing a simple values in computer memory. This values either can be an integer or float or string or even booleans. In Python, you can even store the complex values like list and values. We will see those in upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching my videos. If you have any doubts, add it in the comment section. I'll be very happy to help you guys.